1. Design. The Audi A4B6 features a more modern and fluid design compared to its predecessor, the B5 model. Its soft lines and striking details set it apart. The aerodynamic features reduce drag for a smoother driving experience. High-quality materials and ergonomic interior design enhance comfort. Innovative headlight and taillight designs enhance its appearance. Various color options cater to personal preferences. Its spacious trunk offers practicality for daily use. Exterior details strongly reflect Audi's brand identity. Its roofline and window areas allow ample natural light into the cabin. The wide front grille and dynamic lines provide a sporty look. 2. Engine options. The Audi A4B6 offers a range of gasoline and diesel engine options. Turbocharged technology is used in performance-oriented models. Diesel options provide economical driving advantages. Engine options vary according to user needs and preferences. Engines that deliver high torque at low RPMs offer practical driving experiences. Environmentally friendly engine options ensure low emissions and fuel consumption. Its powerful performance provides a dynamic driving experience. Quiet operation even at high RPMs enhances comfort. Advanced technology engines maintain high standards of reliability and durability. Fast acceleration is a highlight of powerful engine options. 4. Technology. The Audi A4B6 incorporates advanced technology features of its time. It offers a user-friendly infotainment system in the cabin. High-resolution screens provide clear information to the driver. User-friendly features include voice control and touchscreen capabilities. Map and navigation systems enhance driving comfort. Advanced driver assistance systems optimize safety and comfort. Smartphone integration keeps the driver connected. Automatic climate control maintains ideal interior temperatures. Safety systems provide collision prevention and protection features. Rear-view camera and parking sensors facilitate parking maneuvers. Advanced safety systems provide protection for drivers and passengers.